there a way for a non-tech person to get a short viral sound video posted on and made on Instagram to Metricool for Evergreen posting? Yes, Madeline, there is. Here we go. Here is the post I'm assuming you're talking about. We're going to copy the link on Instagram. We are going to come over to fastdl.app, and we are going to insert that code there, or that URL there. We're going to click download. It's going to pull it up. Here's the video. I'm going to click on the download button. It's going to probably show you an ad. If it does, just close out of the ad and then it'll download. You can see it's right here. Then we're going to go into Metricool. Oh, I didn't log in yet. Let's go ahead and log into Metricool. By the way, Metricool is one of my favorite schedulers. I have tons of videos on YouTube about how to use it, and I will be putting more out all of the time. But if we log in to Metricool, we are then going to go to planning. We're going to go to auto lists. Then we are going to create a new auto list. If you want to create a new auto list, we're going to call this test. You're going to select where you want to publish this. So presumably you're going to do Facebook, Instagram, probably LinkedIn, TikTok, maybe YouTube Shorts, could even do Pinterest, whatever the place is. Then make sure that you open up each of these carrots and have it set up how you want it to be. I pretty much never use a URL shortener. I have another video that talks about this. If you have a question, you can drop that in the comments. You're always going to make sure it's on repeat and auto publish so that this will continue and be a circle. It's an auto list that'll post over and over again. For Facebook, you're probably going to make this a reel or a story. Same thing for Instagram. For Pinterest, that's fine. We want this to be a short on YouTube. I always say it's not made for kids. There is an option now to do random music if it's an image post. This one's not. We don't want to add random music. And then you can set which days you want to post. You can either have this as the time for on multiple days. So let's say you want to do Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday all at 6:03 p.m. Or you can add a second line. Let's say on Sunday you want it to be at 6:03. On Tuesday you want it to be at 6:13. And on Friday you want it to be at, 11:17. Okay, so you can do it either way. All of them at the same time on different days, or separate lines for different days at different times. And then you're going to insert the post, and we're going to find our video, which we just downloaded. It's right here. And the name of it is actually what she used as well as the copy, which is actually kind of cool. So we've put that on there. We can take the name from the actual download. So if I come into my folder and go to downloads, I can right click and rename it in order to copy what's there. If I'm happy with what's there, that's option 1. So then I can put that here, and then obviously make sure that it all looks good. If that didn't download the way that we wanted it to, or any other reason, you can also use a tool called CopyFish, and that is a Google Chrome extension. And then you're going to literally just click and drag whatever it is you want it to give you the text on. So here's the actual text. This is an OCR tool. And then we can just make a few tweaks to it. And I actually probably would want it on a separate line. Then copy it. So you can click copy to clipboard. And then you could also bring that one over here and paste it. And you can see this one didn't bring over the emojis, but the one that how it was titled when I did the download did. So you can do either one of those to get your copy. Now you've got your copy in here with your video. Apparently I forgot to fill something in. Oh, who can view your post? Public. Okay. So it gave me a warning. So now the warnings are all gone. It's set up to go. And if it's on, that means it'll actually post. If it's on off, it means it won't. There's not really a lot of reason to turn it off unless for some reason you don't want a post to go. But that is how I would go about taking something that you created on Instagram that you want to download. You don't want it to have the Instagram logo on it, and you want to be able to easily grab the video and the copy and get it scheduled on a scheduler. There are tons of videos that I've done already about how to use Metricool. If you have any more questions, be sure to drop those in the comments below, and I can't wait to answer another question for you.